Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Theni location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for executives or territory sales manager or area sales manager and cluster heads position, and it is for the products of DMT or AEPS or METM or MPOS or insurance or CMS or BBPS, and this is from RappiPay Fintech Private Limited. And for this position, the salary will be depends upon your experience. Preferably from same background will be preferred. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are various job vacancies available from Aptus Housing Finance India Private Limited. They have openings for sales officer, senior sales officer and relationship manager positions. These positions are for the product of affordable home loan up to 20 lakhs for cash salary and without IT. And for this position, you should have qualifications like any degree, and you should have minimum 1 year of experience in home loan products. And coming to the salary, it will be based in the industry and attractive incentives will be there. Approximately the salary will be 15 to 22,000 per month, and the incentives will be 10 to 20,000. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for sales executive position from Fast Track Housing Finance Limited. For this position, you should have graduation or post graduation with minimum 1 year of experience. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for personal banker position for branch banking, and it is from Equitas Small Finance Bank. For this position, you must have graduation with 1 year plus experience in liability frontline HNI customer handling, and you must have good knowledge of the local and surrounding markets in the area, and you should have good communication and negotiation skills. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for lab technician position from Team Engineering Services Private Limited. For this position, you must have graduation in civil engineering. Along with that, you should have 3 years of experience in the same field. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for branch sales manager position for the products of affordable home loans or housing loans or mortgages or business loan, and it is from Pyramid Enterprises Limited. For this position, you must have any graduation, and you should have minimum 4 to 8 years of experience in home loan or mortgage products. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for operation manager position from Tech Pillar. For this position, you must have any graduation, and you should have 4 years plus experience in housing finance, credit operation home loans. And for this position, you are going to getting a salary up to 5 lakhs per annum. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for branch manager position for branch banking for a private bank. And for this position, you must have minimum 6 years of experience in sales and 2 years of experience as branch manager in banking. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for journal sales manager position. Like you should have 5 to 10 years of experience in the same field for this position. Interested candidates, if you are eligible, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.